Hi everybody, welcome back to another Sprint Booster install. On this episode, we're installing a Sprint Booster on this brand new Volkswagen Mk8 Golf R. Sprint Booster is the #1 and original throttle control module on the market. It's trusted by over 2 million users worldwide, so you know you're getting the good stuff. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com, check out our wide list of applications, and see which Sprint Booster is right for your machine. So the first step with every Sprint Booster install is to take your key fob and put it 10 feet away from your car with your driver's door open. That way your CAN bus system can reset. Then we're ready to begin the install. Next up, locate your throttle pedal assembly. Above there, you'll see the clip to your harness. Unplug that clip and plug your Sprint Booster in line. Next up, plug your controller into the Sprint Booster, then run it up to your dash. But before you mount it on there with the provided adhesive, make sure that you're in the automatic setting if you have an automatic car like we do, or flick it up to the manual setting if you have a manual car. The Sprint Booster has 36 unique modes, including pedal lock mode and valet mode, as well as 9 unique modes in sport mode, and another 9 unique modes in race mode. So you can really dial in that pedal feel to what feels the best for you and your car. Well, that's it everybody. Thanks for checking out another Sprint Booster install. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com, check out our wide list of applications, and see which Sprint Booster is right for your car. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.